Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to hide the dock on Mac. So, let's get started. When using your Mac, you have control over your environment, and one key element you can customize is the dock, that row of icons at the bottom of your screen. By default, the dock is always visible. It is a handy way to access your apps and see which ones are running with a little dot underneath. But it does take up some screen space. For instance, when you try to move a window down, it is limited by the dock's presence. Fortunately, you can change this. Go to System Preferences and select Dock. Here, you will find the option to automatically hide and show the dock. When enabled, the dock disappears until you move your cursor to the bottom of the screen. When you need it, simply move your cursor to the bottom and it pops back out. This way, you gain extra screen space. You can now drag windows all the way down, maximizing your workspace. Even using the green button with the Option key maximizes your usable space. Many users prefer this option for the added screen real estate and the dock being out of sight when not needed. However, a minor drawback is that when you move the cursor to the bottom of the screen, the dock can sometimes pop up unintentionally. Remember, both options are available, and you can easily switch between them in System Preferences. Alternatively, you can Control-click the line in the dock to quickly toggle hiding on and off. So, whether you prefer a visible dock or want to maximize your screen space, the choice is yours. Customize your Mac environment to suit your needs. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.